In this video, we'll take a quick tour of the Intro to CS with Python curriculum. Intro to CS with Python curriculum is designed to help students develop computational thinking skills by solving code challenges and developing projects. Work on interdisciplinary projects, reverse engineer apps, and create games. There are video instructions, visuals, and plenty of code samples to help students learn the complex programming concepts in a fun and relatable way. The code editor lets you code from any environment, including Chromebooks. You can also create projects that use external libraries, such as the Turtle and Pygame. Track your students' progress and don't let anyone fall behind. Download the customizable teacher resource such as lesson slides and solution guides. Control access to the content, release preloaded assignments and exams with a click of a button, or add your own. Integrate with your learning management system and streamline your tools. If you have your own question sets and projects, add them using the custom content creator. Also, any project that students work on can be exported to students' own workspace, so they can keep working on it and share it with the world. There is so much more, so try out the Intro to CS with Python today.